Okay, so Kitsu and I are going to show you the Tristram. What's it called? I don't know. Tristram something. And we're going to show you exactly what Diablo 1 used to look like. They got it right down to everything. Everything! Everything! Ready? Alright. So, this is the interface we are familiar with. Yes? All this glamorous. Alright. Do you see how pixelated this shit is? And look at the gauntlet mouse. And this. And let's see if I can find some text. Oh yeah, and how he walks. Look at how he walks. Look at how he walks. And it's just him. The Templar is fine. It's just him. And then, do you see the words? That's exactly how it was. And then the sound of gold dropping. See? You hear the clinking? Clink. Oh my gosh, they did so good. Look at him, he's still walking funny. Oh my gosh. They did so good with this.